Moderate mag. 4.4 earthquake 16 kilometers south of Malatya, Turkey, on Tuesday, February 28, 2023 at 5:18 a.m. local time. According to the RaspberryShake reported, this quake was likely an aftershock of the 7.8 quake 32 kilometers west of Gaziantep, Turkey, February 6, 2023 3:17 a.m. which had occurred 3 weeks earlier. Updated, February 28, 2023 3:52 Greenwich Mean Time 13 minutes ago. Refreshed. I felt this quake. User reports. Earlier quakes here. Quakes in Turkey. Moderate magnitude 4.4 earthquake at 5 kilometers depth. Is 100 accurate? And do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.